It's sticky! Come on, let's play! Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel! My name is Akina. Today we are gonna making slime. We need food coloring. We need baking soda and we need glue and activator. Let's get started. Let's open the glue. A little bit of glue. I gotta make slime, so I gotta put the whole bottom. Next, we need baking soda. We gotta put 2 drops.
2 spoons.
Okay. Don't put too much. I'm going to mix the glue and the baking soda with my mermaid spoon. I love it. We gotta mix. Oh, now it becomes fluffy. Now it's ready for activator. I borrowed it from Daddy to make slime. Not too much. It's like porridge. Now it's time to food coloring, right? Mommy, can you help me, please?
Mix everything.
Come
so
on.
that everything is ready.
Ooh, really red porridge.
Getting sticky.
No, maybe I need more activators. Mommy, can you help me, please?
Should I pour it for you?
Yeah.
Let me help you.
I just remember I need to put this
Baby on.
from when I was a little baby.
Not too much.
Okay, now mix.
You can try.
It's sticky. Now it is ready. I gotta mix my hands. Is it sticky and ever? Oh no, it's so gooey. Still gooey. It's still gooey, mommy. It's gooey. It's still
Then you need to
gooey.
mix.
Is it ready?
I don't know. You try.
I think it's ready. Guys, come on, let's play. Oh,
Put everything together.
okay. I think my hand is red because of the slime, because of the food coloring. That's why my hands are red. Look, it's now ready. Bye guys, it's a wrap. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.